Justin Johnson, Super Lo-Fi Indie, Scat Shows. Shh.
All right, everyone. How's everyone doing tonight? You guys, they say trees are the longest living organisms in the world. Tell that to my mother-in-law. And then he said, check out my elephant trunk. He was a big tree. So big, he had 3 branches. Judicial, legislative, and executive. Have any of you seen the movie Roots? New dads. Who here is a new dad? Fast food places. It's like 2 windows. What, are you going to give me 2 meals? Do you even bite? Is your bark really worse than your bite? It's like every day is a new problem. What should I drink today, water or water? Am I going to let the leaves fall on me? When you guys are faced with these problems, are you ever stumped? Why don't you just get up and leave? It's like if they didn't want the plane weighed down so much, they'd just serve us rocks. Women don't listen. Any apple trees in the audience? Oh. So you guys discovered gravity, huh? Does anyone care about shade anymore? All right, guys. Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure. Can't wait to come back and drive safely. Just kidding. Thank you.
You're welcome.